prior to coming in to see you, I sleep on my side, so I tend to flip back and forth. With the shoulder pain that I had, if I flipped over to the left side, my left shoulder, it would instantly wake me up. It would just be like pain level 7 or 8 just by touching the shoulder to the bed. I really couldn't elevate my hand above my head without pain. Since we did the regeneration procedures, it's gotten tremendously better. I can put my hand above my head. You know, I can sleep on the left shoulder again, which I didn't think I was going to be able to even do that because you know, it hurt that much when I laid on it. So I mean, I wasn't sleeping hardly at all. You know?
When you went to your doctor, what did they tell you?
After 2 minutes in his office, said I needed a full shoulder replacement.
And that's not something you wanted to do?
Did not want to do that. No.
Were you taking any medications, or are you taking any medications for it?
No, nothing.
So it's been about 3 months since we began the procedures in this office,
Right.
and if you could tell us what kind of results you've achieved.
It started to feel better almost immediately, but you know, based on what we were doing, I was trying not to be too active with it. In the last 6 weeks or so, I've been getting more and more active with it. I can do just about anything. It doesn't affect my work at all. You know, I couldn't pick a nail gun up or a drill up with my left hand before. But you know, I can do pretty much anything I want now. I mean, I haven't done anything super heavy or super crazy, but it's been good.
Wasn't it interfering with your physical training, your weight training as well?
Yeah, I couldn't lift because I couldn't push above my head. I couldn't put any pressure above my head. Yeah, I couldn't do that.
And now you can. You're getting back to it.
Yep, I'm working on it. Working on chin-ups, which I couldn't do either. I literally, if I hung on a bar, it would give me a lot of pain. But you know.
And you're able to do that now?
Yeah.
Is what you did in here, are you happy with the results you've achieved?
I am totally happy with it.
Okay, is it something that you would recommend to other people?
I would recommend it. And my results for me was tremendous. I was looking at a full replacement, you know.